how to enable or disable video pop-out in Opera GX. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how, you may follow up the simple steps in order to do so. So for that, you can go ahead and open up Opera GX first, and once you open it up from the given interface, you can look for the settings icon in the left side of your screen and open it up. And once you open up your settings, from the given settings, you can head over to any of the settings and just scroll down until you reach over to the section of this video pop out right under this video conference pop out. So you just need to go ahead and look out for this video pop out, and we have this enable video pop out option. You just can go ahead and tap on it, click on it in order to enable or disable it. Similarly, we have this transparent one also. You can just go ahead and click on it and do it. So that's it for now. You may follow this process in order to enable video pop-out in your Opera GX. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.